Hi friends, welcome to Roll Your Mat. How are you doing today? Today we are going to practice Warrior 2, which is Virabhadrasana 2 in Sanskrit. This pose stretches your inner thigh while strengthens your quads and glutes. The neutral spine and core engagement in this pose also helps to develop body awareness and move us away from lower back pain. Although your back foot in Warrior 2 looks to be stretching here, but actually it plays an active role in stabilizing your Warrior 2 and not placing too much loads in front leg. So, do not neglect the strength from your back leg. Now, let us go through the breakdown of Warrior 2, Virabhadrasana 2. From a standing position, take a big step back with your right leg, turn the foot 90 degrees outward. Line up heel to heel, inhale, and exhale, bend your front knee. You can stay here or go down lower to 90 degree. Not a must to go to 90 degree, just listen to your body needs today. Knee over ankle, pointing towards the same direction as your toes. Roll your inner thigh of your back leg forward, grab your back foot onto the mat firmly. Lift both sides of your trunk upward. Relax shoulder and neck. Look forward or look towards your thumb. Inhale, straighten your front leg. Exhale, bend. Inhale. Exhale, feel firmly on the mat. Inhale. Exhale, direct your tailbone downwards. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale fully. Inhale, straighten your front leg and step your back foot forward, returning to standing position. If you experience any discomfort on your knee and pelvis, come out of this pose. Shorten your stance and you may find more stability and power in your Warrior 2. Repeat on the opposite side. Option 1. Supported Warrior 2 on chair. Prepare a chair. Sit your left hip on a chair. Toes pointing forward. Walk your right foot backward, foot turning outward 90 degrees. Lift both sides of your trunks upward. Line up heel to heel. Round all corners of your feet onto the mat. The big toes, inner and your outer feet. Inhale. Exhale, squeeze your thigh and butt. Draw your sitting bone towards each other. You can stay here or maybe lift your hip just a tiny distance from your chair. Keep your spine neutral. Inhale, relax your thigh and sit on a chair. Exhale, lift your hip up just a tiny distance away from the chair. Inhale, relax. Exhale, lift and hold for 3 breaths. Keep your spine neutral. See if you can lift your hands up to shoulder level and stretch them outwards like there is 2 strings of equal weight pulling your hands away. Inhale, sit back on the chair. Option 2. To progress deeper into Warrior 2. Move away from chair to standing position. Take your right leg a big step backward, outer foot grounding on the wall behind. Press your palms on the wall, opening up your back. Make sure your spine is still lengthened upward, tailbone downward. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, bend your front knee. Knee over ankle. You can stay here or go to 90 degrees your chest. Move into shorter stance if you have any knee or hip issues. Inhale, straighten your knee. Exhale, bend. Press the outer edge of your back foot onto the wall to engage your quads in this movement. Inhale, straighten. Exhale, bend. Switch over to the opposite side. Round the outer edge of your back foot onto the wall and keep your spine neutral. Be aware of your hip movement. One breath, one movement. For Warrior 2 or any warrior poses, start from shorter stance or use the wall for support. When you feel more ready, adjust your foot backward and feel the benefit of this pose for a couple of breaths. Most important is working in a position that best suits your current condition. Thanks to yourself for being aware of your body and breath today. Namaste.